What's going on? It's Roger. I just want to give a quick shout out to my brother Adam. He sent over a bigger package than I thought. For a while we talked about like Hot Wheels and other stuff, and like he sent it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta open it up or at least post them up. But he sent me some cool stuff that I am going to put up quickly. Now, if you know, like, I collect things. I'm not a perfectionist, so I don't really care about bent cards. Wow, Adam, you hooked me up. Holy moly, dude. Wow, that's a lot of good stuff. Civics. Excuse me. Oh, man. Wow. He got me a lot of cool stuff. This started a while back. We were just talking about things. Let me just edit.